Hey, this is Ollie from TaskTag again. I'm going to take you through some task management aspects of what you can be doing within your project within TaskTag. So, as we had said before, we'd set up a project, make a cup of tea, and we generate a task. We'd also spoken to the TaskTag help desk, or basically another contact within our account, about that task. What I'd like to do now is show you how you may upload a photo and also complete that task. So what I'm going to say is, actually, don't worry, I already made it. And again, I'm going to hashtag my project here, and I'm going to upload a picture to prove, and often you're proving something a bit more sophisticated than making a cup of tea, but to prove that it was made. So there's my picture. I'll send this to the help desk here, or my contact. That's come through. Then when I go into my project and I start looking at my activity log, I can see through the activity log that it was shared, that this has already been made. I've also, in my files and pictures, of which some projects will have hundreds by the end that are tagged to specific tasks, of pictures of progress that's being made on a project. It's loaded here. I can see the picture of it, so everything looks right with that task. So I'm actually going to mark it complete. So I check it complete. That moves from the current list into the completed list here. So that's how you manage your tasks and can keep on top of your tasks for your team.